Today, we're taking a look at the Hoffree RGB massaging gaming chair, and then we'll compare it to the $700 premium gaming chair. These chairs have been selling out fast on Amazon, so if you're interested in one, I will leave a link in the description. And use code FaceCast21 for 21% off. The unboxing process of this chair was smooth like butter, and building it, assembling it, went by quickly. It only took me about 25 minutes. I timed it. So let's put it all together and see how long it takes. I have started the stopwatch. Okay, so removing the screws from the bottom, the top, and the footrest took about 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Next, we have to put the wheels and the little hydraulic piece on. There we go, and now we have to put together the footrest and the bottom of the chair. Mission accomplished. Now it's time for the top of the chair. We connect the wires back here. There's the armrest. All right, what else do we need to do? I think that's it. So that took a casual 25 minutes to build, or just under 25 minutes. Here's what the Hoffree gaming chair has to offer. First, we have these Bluetooth speakers back here. So let's turn on Bluetooth and connect. So there it is. It's going to show up as Box, and it says connected. Talk to me. Now let's play my latest gaming video, but we're getting an advertisement. There's a new event in Survivor.io called Magic Ladder. The speakers aren't bad. They're a little high, if you know what I mean, a little tingy. Right. Event duration December 17th to the 22nd. They remind me of like front car tweeters from a Toyota Tercel from the 90s. It also has RGB lights, as you can see. It also comes with this handy controller, and there are many different modes that you can switch through. Here's auto, but there are many different modes that you can go through here. You can even change their speed. You can speed things up, or you can slow things down. Take it nice and slow, folks. In addition, you can adjust the brightness and make it a static color like red or green or blue. That's what RGB stands for. It also has a massage function. So this cushion right here has 2 built-in massagers in it. And there's a button in the back. You press it once and it will turn on. If you press it again, it will turn off. It's just on and off. So the pillow is massaging the bottom of my back, and it feels pretty good, but it's really just vibrating. It's not hitting your points. It also claims to have an ergonomic design with a high back and retractable footrest. Here's the footrest. My feet are resting. This is a $700 premium gaming chair, and that Hoffree gaming chair is an affordable $200 gaming chair. You can usually get it at a discount though, including using code FaceCast21 to get 21% off. The Hoffree gaming chair does not include features like a ventilated and heated seat, which I actually kind of broke. Fully adjustable 6D armrest that can even tilt up. Nor does it have this nice and soft premium leather that I love so much. That's a good chair. But the Hoffree gaming chair has a lot of random stuff like RGB lights, Bluetooth speakers, and a built-in massager. The Hoffree gaming chair can also lift you up a little higher than the premium chair. So if you want to look taller on stream, this is your go-to chair. I usually sell chairs when I get them, but I think I'm going to keep this one for its aesthetics. It'd be fun to game with a chair with RGB lights and a Bluetooth speaker in the back. And I think the RGB lights, all the modes that it has, makes it a good deal if this is what you're looking for. Check out the link in the description and grab one before they're sold out. They sell out all the time.